Hello friends and fellow chicken keepers, hopefully you're having a great day. Thank you for coming to my channel Chicken Chaos. Today we're talking about something very easy to help with your chicken's health. Many of you already have in your cabinet probably for your own health, but it also helps with your chicken health. And it's so easy, a caveman can do it. Look at this. There's Mother's apple cider vinegar. Many of us already got it in our cabinet for our health. But you know this is good for your chicken's health too? It sure is. It's amazing stuff. And this unfiltered vinegar is, like I said, it's good for your chicken health. It can help with the digestive system, gut friendly bacteria, and it helps with their immune system. Yes, I said that. Immune system. It helps with your chicken immune system. So it keeps them healthy and away from being so sick. So there's some great stuff for you and your chickens. And so it's so easy to do. Watch this. Just put a small amount. I only put about this much in my water. A gallon of water now. It does not take a lot, and that's it. That's all you got to do, and bam, you improve your chicken's health that easy by just doing one little thing. How great is that? We all is amazed by this. So check this out. Go to the grocery store and get it. It's not very costly to get. Some of the medicine you get for your chickens and all is probably more costly than this. So like I said, try it out, and I think you'd be amazed by this product. I use it every day on mine, and I can see a difference in my chickens. So if you like this video today, please smash that subscribe and like button. I greatly appreciate it for all your support. And can't wait till I do another video for y'all. So hopefully y'all learn something and enjoy yourself a little bit. And you have a fantastic day.